Doze off. To fall asleep, especially for a short period of time. A new student dozed off during the class. Put away. To put something in the place where it is kept because you have finished using it. I'm just going to put the shirt away in the almirah. Fill up. To become full. Or to make something become full. He filled up the tank with petrol. Close down. To end the operation of something. Or a place of business. To stop operating. There were 4 pubs in this village, but 3 have closed down now. Leave behind. To leave a place without taking someone or something with you. He was forced to leave the country, leaving behind his wife and children. Trip over. To fall over, to stumble on, to slip on something. She tripped over the dog sleeping on the floor as she made her way to the kitchen. Stay behind. To not leave a place when other people leave. I stayed behind after class. Staying and remaining. Tie up. To attach a man to something with a rope, chain, etc. She tied up her brother before she left. Clean away. Tidy up thoroughly and throw away unwanted things. I want you to clear all these toys away before bedtime. Clean off. To remove something from something by brushing, rubbing, etc. I cleaned the mud off my shoes. Ask around. Ask many people the same question. I asked around but nobody has seen my wallet. Break down. Complete loss of physical, mental, or emotional vitality. Our car broke down and we had to push it off the road. Carry out. To complete or perform a task or plan. We need to carry out the instructions carefully to avoid mistakes. Go deaf. To become unable to hear. She was born deaf. Didn't you realize she was deaf? Of course I did. Cheer up. To become happier. They cheered up at the mention of her name. Keep out. To not enter a place. To stay outside. The sign said, Private property keep out. Leave out. Tot includes someone or something. This question is too difficult. I think I'll leave it out of the test.
Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos.